Now if you have a Balboa spa pack, I'm going to show you very quickly how to remove an element and what to look for when you're putting it back in. You might have an older style where you have to disconnect the two leads here, but the newer style, there's a clip. So you can just undo the clip, and then there's a bolt here, right back in here, and there's one underneath here. Now if this is in your tub already, the bottom one's going to be tough. Even this one's going to be tough. You pretty much have to lay in your belly to get it. But the bottom one's the hardest one. So you have to take that one off and this one off on the bottom. So you slide that out. Once you get it all loosen off, you can slide it out. Now what I do with the probes, I leave them in. I just leave them plugged in. And you just, should be finger tight, but if you need a tool to unloosen it, then unloosen it. Pops off. Pops off. There you go, you have your element out. Now like I said before, you might not have this clip, so you're gonna have to disconnect the two bolts here. Now if you have a hard time, if that's in your tub and you have a hard time getting it out because of the plumbing on either side of this, just undo the two screws here. And just put it over to the side. And also what you could do is you can put grease in here too, so it slides better for you. And then your plumbing would be here, because sometimes I have to take that off because I have the seal that keeps on falling off all the time. So if you're trying to get the seal and you're trying to get this in, right, and you're having a hard go, so you're trying to do this, you want this to sit in there properly. What you do is you take that off. Take a little bit of silicone and just put a little bit of silicone in there. You just want it stuck there. You don't need it permanently there. Just put a little bit. Just put a little bit of silicone right there and jam it in there like that. And it should stay for you. And then put it in. Once you get it in like that, if you're having a hard time even putting it back in, then you get this part. It's jammed up like that. Gonna have to line up the threads a bit. Okay, that. Line that back up. Make sure it's put together. Now you can feel a crack in there, so it's not lining up properly. So you gotta make sure. There's this pin here and make sure it's lined up good. There we go. So there should be no gap when you put it in there. And you just screw these down snug. Then you continue to screw in this on so you know the gasket's in there properly. Kind of sucks if you don't have any shut-off valves and you get to this point, you tighten it, you change the element, you tighten it all up, you fill it all up, and you got a leak. And you only can tighten this so much and you'll just end up breaking it. But then you'll still see a leak. It's because the gasket inside has slipped off a bit and it's pinching. So that's why it's good to have, if you're having a hard time putting this on the end, that's why it's good to take these off. Because at least you can see what you're doing. Because when it's in there like that, sometimes you can't push this all the way on. Like here, if it comes in, it's still not flush. It's not like it's like that. You can't do that. So that's a little trick there. Okay, so taking off the element. You can watch our video, and I'll link it down below, how to take an element out and put it back in. Now, I'm just showing you the trick for a Balboa spa pack because of the two sensors. Okay, and in my video that I'm going to link down below to change an element, you got to make sure the element's straight and it's the proper one. Okay, here's the right element for this. See, this one's all cockeyed. And if you put the sensor in, okay, it's pretty, you could set off the sensor. Say it's out of sync. Especially if you put the whole wrong element too, wrong type. All your information is right on here, what element you need. And the same as here when the element, or when the sensor goes in. And you gotta make sure it's center. And then when you get it all back together, like I said, if your tub, you have to take off one of the sides and just leave it off. If you want to take off both sides, take off both sides. So when you put it back in, I kind of put the sensors in. I just took this one out just to show you the other part. So when you put it in, make sure lines up perfect and straight up and down. So that's straight up and down, that's straight up and down, goes all the way back. So you push it in, tighten the two screws. So one here, tighten those up. If yours is the screw type, put the screws back in properly. Watch the video down below so you do it properly. Or if it's just a newer Balboa, just make sure that you click it in, and then you put your two sensors in, and make sure that up here that the one on the right is on the right, the one on the left on the board is on the left over here. So you just tighten up this, hand tight only. So hand tight. Now there's a gasket in here, a little O-rings in here. Make sure that it's not cracked. It's half decent. Maybe put a little bit of oil on that if you want. Kind of helps it last longer. That's it. Like I said, put the two screws, tighten it down. Make sure these are down first before you decide to tighten this up. And then you put the ends on. Okay, so if this video